Alright, what's going on, dudes, and welcome back to Minecraft. This time we'll be going over the Chisel mod, as in hammer and chisel, sculpting things and stuff. It adds in probably over 100 new blocks to the game. I haven't actually counted, but let it be known, there are a lot of them, and they're all pretty easily accessible, and it's mostly for aesthetic purposes. So let's get started. All you really need to make things happen is a chisel, as the mod name would suggest. So it's a really easy crafting recipe: stick and an iron ingot, and we have ourselves a chisel. So if we right click on this, it brings up a little menu. All we need to do to make this work is grab one of these blocks that I have arranged up here. These are the blocks that the chisel can actually chisel, because chisel can be a noun or a verb, I think. So let's grab cobblestone. We'll right click on our chisel and throw some cobblestone in here, and voila. It brings up this whole subset menu of different sort of trims of cobblestone. So aligned cobblestone bricks, detailed cobblestone bricks, small, large, blah blah blah. Lots and lots of names. So let's grab one. I kind of like the damaged cobblestone tiles simply because it has like sort of different colors and stuff. And then we place it down, and we have this new variety. And it comes with sort of no cost to you. All you do is add the block into the menu, and it just allows you to pull it out. It doesn't take any experience. It doesn't take any additional resources. You just chisel, and then you're good to go. So we could take some glass, and we'll throw some glass in. I keep opening up my inventory instead of right-clicking on the chisel. And here we have just a whole new subset of different types of glass blocks. So let's go and pull out this red one called Chinese glass. And there we go. And we can just sort of put it together like so, and it just behaves like normal glass, same sort of transparency behavior and whatnot. And the list goes on. We can just keep putting different blocks in here, and it'll keep giving us these different trims. So rather than me actually going through all of these, I've actually set up a little wall up there. You can kind of see it. And it has every single block laid out. But before we get to that, I figured I should mention, if you've noticed these strange blocks laying around, naturally generating with the world, once you add this mod in and make a new world or load up new chunks, you get this limestone block and you get marble blocks. So these, they're very plentiful. They're not rare by any means to find. This just naturally occurred right next to spawn, so they're all over the place. And you can also craft these into different varieties using the workbench, as well as trimming them into different varieties using the chisel. So in here I just have some crafting recipes, so you can craft the raw marble blocks, which are again what appear naturally generating, into marble pillars, similar to the quartz pillars, and you can craft them into stairs. So you can craft the pillars themselves into slabs, and you can also craft the raw marble into slabs as well. And then you can also take the limestone and you can do stairs and half slabs, no pillars with the limestone. And again, all of these blocks here, you can again add into your chisel and make a whole bunch of different trims. So the list just sort of goes on and on and on here. Just as a quick example, let me try to grab the stair, which is not letting me do. There we go, raw marble slab. So if I right click my chisel again and throw it in, we just get a whole subset of blocks once more here. I kind of like the gold one, so I'll lace them down. And yeah. So that's how this thing works. It just allows you to very, very easily obtain a whole subset of different varieties of your blocks at not much cost to you, except for a stick and an iron ingot. All right, so here is the entire layout of all the different blocks that you can create using the chisel. So the sign on each of these blocks signifies what it started off as, and then it just goes on in these 2x8 row/columns of the different varieties. So cobblestone, glass, lapis, sandstone. You can actually make some concrete out of sandstone. Gold has these obsidian star varieties. Iron and diamond, they all have these sort of interesting obsidian thingamadoohickeys. Mossy cobblestone. There's some very, very slightly changed varieties of them. If you can even tell the difference, you'd probably have to pause and sort of analyze to figure it out. Marble pillar slabs, limestone slabs, limestone stairs, marble slabs, regular marble, emerald, nether brick, nether rack, and diamond. if you want to just pause the video really quickly right here so you can sort of get a full idea of what all the different blocks look like. I'll try to center it. There we go. Here's a full screen for you. And yeah, so that's the mod. A bajillion new blocks for you to build from. Apparently lots of the textures are from Painterly, so I guess it's almost like it's just adding many new texture packs into your game. But I think it's very cool, and hopefully you've enjoyed it as well. If you have, a rating would be much appreciated. Other than that, though, if you want any more info and or to download the mod, link in the description. Thanks for watching, dudes, and I'll see you next time.